Nicki Minaj is in serious trouble, and it's not just rumors this time. Her lawyer just dropped her mid-lawsuit, and the reasons might shock you. Here's what's really happening behind the headlines. So, here's the situation. Nicki Minaj is being sued for $10 million by a fan who claims she harassed him. Things escalated when her lawyer representing her in this civil case officially quit. According to the attorney, Nicki stopped responding to calls, texts, and emails. He says it became impossible to continue representing her. And this isn't the first time. She already had a lawyer for this case who also dropped out last year, though he didn't publicly say why. The new lawyer cites a communication breakdown, saying they tried for months to reach Nicki but got nothing back. The lawyer also mentioned that while he temporarily helped handle her case, he can't continue without her cooperation. The judge hasn't signed off yet, but it's likely he'll be allowed to withdraw. Essentially, Nicki needs a new lawyer, and fast. But her pattern of being unresponsive is making this harder than it should be. Now, you might be wondering, how real is this lawsuit? The fan alleges Nicki made false claims, calling him a stalker or accusing him of criminal behavior. If those accusations aren't true, that's considered defamation, which is why this lawsuit is moving forward. This kind of legal trouble isn't unusual for celebrities, but the real kicker is how her handling of lawyers is creating a bigger problem. A defamation suit can get messy, especially when legal representation isn't consistent. And if she doesn't act quickly, the consequences could be serious, potentially impacting her finances and career. This isn't Nicki's first public financial scare. A few months ago, a creditor tried to claim over $500,000 linked to her husband, and there was even a threat to have her house sold. She managed to pay at the final hearing, but it shows that Nicki's legal and financial challenges are stacking up fast. It seems that whether it's lawsuits or lawyers quitting, Nicki's pattern of avoiding communication is causing serious ripple effects. Fans and insiders alike are left wondering, what's going on behind the scenes? This is also affecting her public image. She's lost a lawyer, she's being sued, and reports suggest she's losing fans over recent decisions. Some critics even compare this to career-damaging missteps by other public figures, decisions that make people scratch their heads. Every move, every headline, especially when paired with legal drama, can have long-term career consequences. And right now, Nicki's decisions are under a microscope. So what happens next? When a major celebrity suddenly loses their lawyer in the middle of a lawsuit, it can seriously affect the direction of the case. If an attorney says they can't reach their own client, that becomes a big concern legally as well. Courts expect communication and cooperation between lawyers and their clients. Right now, Nicki Minaj's biggest challenge is finding a new lawyer who can take over the case and represent her properly. But when multiple lawyers step away from the same client, it can make other attorneys a little more cautious before taking the case. At the same time, this situation isn't just about the courtroom. It's also about public image. In the social media era, every update spreads quickly online. News about lawsuits, legal drama, or lawyers leaving a case can easily go viral and shape public opinion. Fans are already reacting in different ways. Some are defending Nicki, while others are questioning what's really happening behind the scenes. And if this lawsuit continues for a long time, it could start affecting her career and reputation in the music industry. For now, everyone is waiting to see what Nicki Minaj does next. Will she hire a new lawyer soon? Will the case move forward in court, or could it eventually end in a settlement? One thing is clear, though, this story isn't over yet, and more updates could come at any time. If you want the latest updates on Nicki Minaj's legal battle and celebrity news, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what happens next.